is the biggest mistake people make with AV in their homes?
If a new construction house like yours, the biggest mistake is they don't wire the house enough. But that wire is going to be the cheapest it's ever going to be when your walls are open.
If I could do one thing differently, I would change up my switches. And you did tell me about this, and I wish I had listened, but remind me what I could have done.
It's called the lighting control system, and we sort of centralize your lighting. So instead of having like 4 light switches here, you would have one sleek looking keypad with engraved labels with a backlight, so you could see what each one of them individually does, and they'll turn on different scenes in the house.
Should have done that. I love when everything is all in one place, easy to use, push of a button. I don't have to go and like flip a bunch of switches, especially when you have guests over. They're like, how do I turn the shades down or turn the music on? I want it to be very intuitive and easy, and that was a big reason why I've really enjoyed working with you.
That is our goal.